You're going to start by selecting all of the saved DMG files in your iPhone and launching Lightroom. You're going to select each individual preset and save it by selecting the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and clicking Create Preset. For each of the preset packets, you want to create a new preset group. In my example, I will be doing Bohemian Mood. After creating the preset group, you want to name the actual preset. I find it easiest to label each of the 6 presets 1 through 6. Continue to repeat this step for all 6 of your presets in each packet. To edit the photo with your new presets, click the photo, then click the presets button. You can scroll down to the folder and find all of your presets labeled in the folder, and then pick whichever one appeals to your eye and continue editing and be creative from there.